Hi everyone, I'm Arshia. Welcome to CAD NEST YouTube channel, an educational institution. Overall, we have 180 plus courses. So in previous session, I have done with MS Office tools, Advanced Excel and Tally Prime. I hope you people are learning. If not, subscribe our channel. So from today onwards, I am going to start with the Power BI, Microsoft application software. What is Power BI? What is the uses of Power BI and what are the advantages of Power BI? So basically Power BI, firstly business intelligence tool. Power BI is the best business intelligence tool which is available in the market here, which is one of the best important tool in market today. We can work on reports and dashboards, we can clean our data, modeling our data, we can work on data modeling, and also we can visualizing our data. This all the reason because it is business intelligence tool. Secondly, Power BI is a collection of components. It is Power Query, Power Pivot, Power View and Power BI service. Firstly, we will start from the Power Query. It is used for cleaning data. When we have transformed data, blank data, record, nil data and unclean data, it will clean data for visualization. Nextly, Power Pivot. Power Pivot used for data modeling. When we have multiple data sources, if you want to connect and relationship between them, you can use Power Pivot. Nextly, come to Power View. So what is Power View? Power View can visualization of your data. Power BI can help you to create 250 plus charts like bar chart, Sankey chart, line chart, donut and many more. This different type of charts will be useful for presenting reports and dashboards. After doing all this cleaning, visualization, modeling, if you want to share the reports with different peoples across the world, you can use Power BI service. Why should we go for Power BI? There are top 5 reasons to use Power BI. So firstly, search volume in Google. In Google search, Google trends interest over time. You can see the chart here. Power BI is increasing day by day. Not only in India, in other countries like Australia, Spain, they are using Power BI. There is a huge demand for Power BI in market today. Then next come to maximum features. So there are many tools comparing to other tools. Power BI has maximum features comparing to other tools. Like example, 1200 different functions, 280 different charts, visual which is not available in different tools comparing to Power BI. Then cost of Power BI. If you are manager, if you are looking for the best product in market, use Power BI. Power BI will get in cheapest price $10 per user per month, and also if you try to purchase in bulk, the license cost come down. Data connectivity, have a capability to input data from different data sources. You can get data from Excel, SQL, Oracle, Google, Big Data, Hadoop. You can pull data from structured, semi-structured data sources in Power BI. So this is the features why we have to take Power BI. Then next come to how Power BI works. So there are two parts in Power BI. One is Power BI desktop, another one is Power BI service. There are many tools in Power BI, but best main tool is focused on Power BI desktop. Power BI used by developer to create reports and charts. Suppose you create a chart, you are a developer, you can prepare chart from different data sources, Excel, CSV, PDF, MS Access, SharePoint, Outlook, PDF and website. Finally, if you want to share with someone, you can use Power BI account. This is an online account, is available on the web, and then publish all your reports in Power BI service. So the entire work is completely automated. You don't have to do it manually. Get data from Excel, some charts and published into online. Power BI, it is very easy to learn. Just using button clicks we can do many work, many of the function. So this is the basic introduction to Power BI. I hope you people enjoy this video. If yes, like and subscribe our channel. Thank you. Bye bye.